Good morning, children. Welcome back to your phonics class. This is the final lesson for the week. And today we're going to do a recap of all the words we've been learning this week. Now, the sound is O and it is A, W. Okay, let's have a look at the different words with O in it. Po, dawn, so, prawn, jaw, crawl, draw, claw, yawn, lawn. Okay, let's have a look at our worksheet for the day. So first, you will read the text and underline all the words with or in them. Then you will draw a picture here and describe your favorite meal. Now let's have a quick read at the text. The boy woke up at dawn and gave a big yawn. His dog came up and held up his paw. So the dog let him out on the lawn. They had a play and crawl about. His dad came out to the shed to saw some logs for the fire. It is prawns for lunch, he said. So go and clean up now. Okay, children, hope you enjoyed the lesson today and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.